I have a confession to make. Question ko na lang sa inyo is, hindi ba kayo naka-curious kung kumusta yung mga ex nyo? Kung anong ganaps nila sa buhay nila nowadays? Don't get me wrong ha. Wala na akong feelings. I am living my life. I am happy with my boyfriend and feeling ko siya na. It's just that there's a part of me na nag-curious kung kumusta yung second ex ko. I made a story time way back about how we ended things. It was a mutual decision. So there's no bad blood between us. He was suffering from mental health issues kasi at that time and I couldn't help him. I tried but I was just making things worse. Kaya nga we decided to break up. But yun nga, like I said, hindi naman masama yung loob namin sa isa't isa. Kaya there's a part of me na kind of concerned na nakaka-cope naman ba siya sa mental health issues niya. So I stalked him. Nung nakita ko, nung stinok ko siya, may jowa na siya. Honestly, sobrang cute nila together. I remember him telling me one time na one of the things that made him cope with his depression was working out, the gym. Bakla ayoko nag-gym, ayoko nag-workout. And nung college kasi kami, he didn't have the time to work out anymore kasi nga busy. Tapos, I found out na yung girlfriend niya ngayon, kasama niya nag-jogging, kasama niya nag-workout, and it's so cute. Tapos nakita ko, artsy-artsy din yung girlfriend. Bagay sila kasi artsy-artsy din yung ex ko. Ayun, after stalking my ex, there's a part of me na nakahinga na ng maluwag, knowing na he already found the love that he deserves. And he found somebody who could help him cope.